Hello, kids! Are you ready for some fun? It's time for the Guess the Animal game. Farm animals, let's get started. Read the clues carefully. Guess the farm animal. Try your best and win a star. It likes to eat grass. It's a big farm animal. It provides milk. It makes the sound. Moo! What is it? Great! It's a cow. It has feathers. Its baby is called a chick. It can lay eggs. It makes the sound. Cluck, cluck. What is it? It's a hen. It likes to eat grass. Its baby is called a lamb. It provides wool. It makes the sound. Baa, baa. What is it? Great job! You got it right. It's a sheep. It has feathers. Its baby is called a duckling. It has webbed feet. It makes the sound. Quack, quack. What is it? It's a duck. It runs fast. Its baby is called a foal. It can be ridden. It makes the sound. Neigh. What is it? Great job! You got it right. It's a horse. It's bigger than a chicken. Its baby is called a poult. It has huge feathers. It makes the sound. Gobble, gobble. What is it? Great job! You got it right. It's a turkey. Good job, everyone. Here's a star for everyone.